Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Tuesday, March 26, 2019. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. And we will be looking at the chart of the Nikkei today. This is 60 minutes chart, 1 hour chart. And we can see right here that the rally to 21,884 ended with X in the Nikkei. And since then, the index has started the next leg lower. We can see we are calling this move as an impulse, 5 ways down, with this with 1, 2, extended with 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the P here, the bounce now looks pretty strong, looks impulsive from the lows, so there is a very good possibility that this bounce here likely will be in the form of a flat. So we got an A, we got a B, and now we are in the C leg to finish this with B in the black, right? An expanded flat ABC. We can see the A is unfolding as a 3 swings. Practically this is a double zigzag WXY, and then the B is unfolding as a zigzag ABC, right? So it's a 3, 3, and then 5. That will be the subdivision of a flat, right? Expanded flat A, B, C. So there are a couple of flat is always going to be difficult to know exactly when it is going to finish, but the idea is that as far as this pivot high remains holding, we can see for the downside in Nikkei again after this current rally is complete. So we can try to measure the 100% of this expanded flat, and that will give us somewhere around this area here, potentially, to end this entire rally. Doesn't necessarily have to go exactly there, but that could be the potential of where the rally can end. All right, now another way to look at it is also, now there are a couple of different flats. There is another type called a running flat. Now if it is a running flat, that doesn't necessarily have to break above the A. It can end below the A here, so the C could end somewhere here, and then also the B, and then starts to turn lower. So this should be sort of the idea is as long as this does not break 21,884, we are looking for this current rally to sort of finish and then starts to turn lower. Now looking at the higher degree now, this is the 4-hour chart. Now I placed down, I'm placing the X here, which is the same as the X you see on the 1-hour chart. Now if this is the X, this is the W. So we have the first leg of this sell-off starting from October 2018 as a W, and this is definitely a corrective structure. It's not an impulse in any way, right? It's only a 3 swing here. So that and the W, and we are calling this rally ending as an X. So what you can see in the trend line here that this is already broken, right? This is already broken, so chances are this cycle is finished. And so if this cycle is finished, chances are we can start to at least at minimum correcting this cycle. And if we are going to correct this cycle, I think this is a little bit too shallow to correct the entire cycle, so we need more downside to at least correct the cycle. Even if we are not going to do a Y that will break this, at least we should be correcting a larger degree cycle. And this also looks impulsive here at first glance, right? This looks impulsive, and so that's what we are showing here. It is an impulse here in the first leg, and then this looks like a flat, and then should fail. If this view is correct, then the rally should not break above this high any longer and starts to reverse again very soon. Okay, so you hope you enjoyed the video, and for further updates and as well as analysis of other instruments, you can always try our service. We got a 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. So see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day.